So currently this area is the Old Accra Station area. Yes, Old Accra Station area. Yes, Old Accra Station area. Yeah, so let's go. Old Accra Station. So this one is a court here. Finally here at Market Circle. Okay, so here Takoradi Market Circle. So I'm heading towards to Market Circle. Okay, and around here is the Zenith Bank area. Yeah, Zenith Bank area. You can see the Zenith Bank over there. So let's go. So guys, consider subscribing to my channel. If this is your first time on this channel, please kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more content on this channel. Yeah. So let's go, guys. Takoradi. So around here is the Takoradi Market Circle. Takoradi Market Circle. So it is Christmas time. People are out buying things for the Christmas. Consider subscribing to my channel if this is your first time on this channel. And also this is the ongoing Takoradi Market Circle. I'll show you. So around here is the U84 in Takoradi. Yes. And also here is the Takoradi Market Circle. Oh my goodness. Sorry. So all here is Takoradi Market Circle. So this is the ongoing Takoradi Market Circle. Around here is the Takoradi Market Circle. Okay, circle. Okay, so where's the guys? So let's go. So this road will lead you to Mankesim White House and also High Sense. You can also talk about the Malcolm Road. Yeah. So you can also pass here to Kukumpi and lots. So let's go. So that is the High Sense garden over there. So let's go. So let me turn around for you guys to see where I have come from. Yes. So around here is the Takoradi Market Circle. So let's go. so this road will also lead you to the EcoBank area, EcoBank, and you can also pass here to Takoradi number 1, number 2, and the rest. Okay. Okay, so guys, subscribe to my channel. If today is your first time on this channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more contents on this channel. Here is Takoradi. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Here is Takoradi. So right now I'm about to reach the EcoBank area. I'm about to reach the EcoBank, yes. So this is the EcoBank in Takoradi. Yes, in case you are looking for EcoBank, this is EcoBank in Takoradi. Yes, so around here is the EcoBank. Yes, EcoBank. So let's go like this. When you pass direct, you are going to Takoradi number 1. Yeah. That is one Bantam and so many things. So let's curve here and go to. So here is the market circle. Okay, so market circle. Very soon I'll catch up to Bank of Africa. Yes, Bank of Africa. So this is the ongoing Takoradi market circle project. Yes, that's the market circle, and this is the Bank of Africa. Bank of Africa. Yes. So currently the ongoing market circle project. Yes. This is it. The ongoing market circle project here in Takoradi. Let's pass this direction too. Let's see what is happening. So that's the market circle project here in Takoradi. Around here is Takoradi market circle. Let's go. Okay, so let's head towards to the Superstar Hotel area. Okay. It's Christmas here in Takoradi, so you can see that the city is busy. Yes. Very busy city. So around here is Superstar Hotel area in Takoradi. Yes, Superstar Hotel area in Takoradi. So around here is this Superstar Hotel area. Takoradi. And I'm heading towards to the MTN office. Around here is the MTN office in Takoradi. So let's go, guys. Guys, I'm on the road. Let's cross here. Charlie, we can come. Good afternoon.